Let's solve a trig equation that may require the use of an addition or a subtraction formula for sine or cosine. And we're solving this equation for solutions in the intervals 0 to pi. 0 is included, pi is not. And the equation is sine of 8t times the cosine of 5t equals sine of 5t times the cosine of 8t. Now, when all else fails in solving equations, it's helpful to just set the equation equal to 0 and see if, what's going on. Are there common factors? Is there something we notice about a pattern? And so forth. In this problem, you were specifically told to use addition or subtraction formulas to help you. So I'm looking for one of those patterns, and I see a product of sine and cosine. Notice if I write the formula sine of 8t cosine of 5t minus sine of 5t cosine of 8t, in the following order, sine of 8t cosine of 5t minus cosine of 8t sine of 5t, since multiplication is commutative, equals 0. Then I will have the traditional sine, cosine, cosine, sine pattern that follows with the sine's subtraction formula. And we can compress that whole previous step into sine of 8t minus 5t, which is simply sine of 3t equals 0. Now, using the strategy I've shown you before, sine of t is going to be 0 if t is solutions like 0, pi, 2 pi. You can keep on going. Pi, you could use negatives, but we don't need to because of the interval stated. Okay, so sine of 3t is going to be 0 if 3t is one of these solutions. And if I need to, I can keep going. Or dividing by 3, I would have t equals 0, pi over 3, 2 pi over 3, pi. The next one would be 4 pi over 3, but I noticed that I don't need to go past pi, and so these three guys are my solution set. Okay, but the whole key to this problem was knowing that we needed to use an addition or subtraction formula.